Do you content locking with adult? You could do content locking with adult marketing. Absolutely. I have inside the adult marketing course talking it specifically about that whole method. It's very powerful. I can come out with free videos on this YouTube channel talking about it 100%. But here we go right now talking about it. So, content locking, the best platform for that, from my experience, is CPA Grip. You can do really good content locking, and it can work very well. So you do pop under or paid ads with banner traffic, and you basically are going to content lock something they really want. You could content lock one of the most popular adult streaming membership sites. You could content lock access to all of them or something, you could say, and then you could be affiliate for them, and then just link to them on the inside. But you want to do a PDF on the inside and just link to a ton of freaking other offers on the inside. And on the front end, you're getting all these conversions from content locking. And on the back end, you're also promoting a ton of freaking offers on the back end. And you're giving value here and there. You're linking to stuff they may enjoy. But at the end of the day, you can content lock like stuff they want. Okay. So go out there and find like stuff they're interested in. You could go to an adult search engine of all the adult websites. You could just look up adult search engine. You'll find one called like Porn Dude or whatever. I think that's what it's called. And you can literally find all the websites out there. It's pretty crazy and stuff. And you can figure out what you want to content lock if you want to be congruent with adult marketing. But yeah, that's something you can definitely do. Content locking can make you a fortune. I've done a little bit of content locking, but I mainly focus on literally tripwire funnels are my favorite. And then back end monetization. I love YouTube, and I do the YouTube for the long term, but I do huge paid campaigns. I don't even show some of my campaigns out there, even the results of them. I mean, I'm making money, bro. Like, it's crazy.